Hello everyone. I welcome you all to Experience Humanities. So today we'll be discussing Greek speeds and bones. So this is the last part. So basically what we'll be discussing over here is how the Harappan civilization was discovered. Okay. So discovery in the sense refers to the knowing of archaeologists. Okay. Basically who were discovering things. So first in the line was Cunningham. Okay, so he was kind of a, why we are telling confusion over here is because confusions are thought by the people. Now, this Cunningham, he was the first Director General of ASI, that is Archaeological Survey of India. Okay, so he began his archaeological excavations and all, and his point of view was the later periods of excavations and the early also. But Harappa-like sites was not under his consideration, and he was not able he did not think Harappa as such good sites for excavation. But what happened was one of English gave him a Harappan seal which he kept in his part of excavation. And ultimately, that is why people say that he has missed a lot of things, because Harappa, as we have seen, was a very ideal kind of a survey which could have been there. Okay, Harappa was so ideal, इतना प्राचीन और इतना अच्छा सिविलाइजेशन था, जिसके कारण अगर उसने इस चीजों को, इस हड़प्पा सिविलाइजेशन को अगर छोड़ भी दिया है, तो उसने बहुत बड़ी गलती की। और उसने इस हिसाब से अगर सोचा कि हड़प्पा कोई इतना अच्छा सिविलाइजेशन नहीं है जिसको हमें एक्सकवेट करना चाहिए, जिसके बारे में हमें जानना चाहिए, तो वो उसकी गलती थी, वो उसका कंफ्यूजन था। ओके, सो दैट इज व्हाई एंड दैट इज हाउ पीपल से अबाउट इट। ओके, सो वी मूव ऑन। बेसिकली अ न्यू ओल्ड सिविलाइजेशन। नाउ a time came when the people started excavating more and more things. Okay, we talk about Dayaram Saini. He founded seals and all. Rakhel Das Banerjee, Mohenjo-daro. Okay, he found seals there even. Mr. John Marshall, he gave the name of this civilization as Indus Valley Civilization. So basically, it is on the western fronts. Okay, so that is why it is called Indus Valley Civilization. So you can interact with that things first. Okay, so when we move on, there were new techniques. As I told you, this is the discovery of civilization. So whenever something is discovered, obviously there are certain techniques or certain kind of a agenda that is fixed, and on that basis, on that things or on that techniques, the things are taken over. So basically, R.M. Wheeler, okay, he started stratigraphy. Okay, that is taking out the things from the surface also. Okay, surface exploration was started. He involved even military in excavation. So he thought of different new ways. Okay, उसने नई चीजों को खोजना चालू किया, और सरफेस एक्सप्लोरेशन करने से उन्हें ये पता चलता था, जैसे मान लो कि कोई क्ले या किस मिट्टी से बना हुआ है, किस चीजों से वो बना हुआ है, उसका बनावट में किस लेयर, मान लीजिए किस लेयर पे वो बना हुआ है, उसको स्ट्रेटिग्राफी कहते हैं। लेयर बाय लेयर कोई चीज को कोरिलेट करके और उसे बता देना कि हाँ ये चीज ऐसे इस लेयर में प्रेजेंट थी, अब उसको ज्वाइन करके हम उस चीज को प्रेजेंट कर पाएंगे। दिस इज कॉल्ड स्ट्रेटिग्राफी। सो दिस इज व्हाट इज स्ट्रेटिग्राफी, व्हेन यू identify things on its layer, on the basis of its layer, okay, of this presence. Remains of plants were taken into consideration, because plants and animals are those things that gives the exact atmospheric conditions and all about the rest of the environment. So that needs to be done, obviously. So this is how the new techniques started coming up. Okay, so now there were certain problems of piecing together the past. Now सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम जो सभी को होता है, जैसे इंस्क्रिप्शंस, तो इंस्क्रिप्शंस वी विल स्टडी अबाउट इट। सो इंस्क्रिप्शंस इज इफ इंस्क्रिप्शंस हैव फेडेड अवे, अगर मिट गया है पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम पास होने की वजह से, तो वो हमें फाइंड आउट नहीं कर पाएंगे उसके बारे में। तो दैट इज हाउ द प्रॉब्लम केम ओवर हियर, क्लासिफाइंग फाइंड्स। नाउ हाउ थिंग्स वर क्लासिफाइड, basically what the archaeologists did, they first try to find out the materials. Okay, on what materials of what materials the things were made. Okay, and secondly, what they did was what could be the function or what could be the use of their findings. So this is how they classified things. Classified means you can tell जैसे किस तरह से वो categorize करते थे कुछ. Okay, so इसी से पता चलता है कि पहले तो वो खोजते थे किस मटेरियल से बना हुआ है. Okay, and then they used to find out the functions of those materials. That is found. Now, there were certain indirect evidences and references also taken, okay, from either and either. Okay, you can tell either. So this is how we are classifying finds. When we talk about problem of interpretation, now we have read about in this chapter there is a statue of priest king. Now no one knows whether there is a ruler or people say that there might be a ruler, but there is no correct evidence got. Okay, so people assume things. Okay, when you do not know about certain thing, actually you can assume it. That is what. So the people also assumed things. They thought that there might be a ruler who could have ruled, but there was not. They did not get any proper evidence about it. So this is how. Now there are certain statues of certain lingas and all. So this can be connected to the Shiva, that is Proto Shiva and all. Rig Veda. All these things were the sources to which the things were contacted and connected to form a kind of a connectivity among the people about the things. So Rig Veda, Rudra, all these things were connected. So this is how they try to interpret things that they got. Okay, to know things that they got. Okay, so hope this would be clear, and any problem you can rewind the video. Okay, and then go through all the parts. Then the problem, everything would be clear. And I hope you would press the like button and subscribe the channel to get more and more videos like this, so that your concepts and the power of connectivity between the chapters is enhanced. So thank you everyone.